You want to be an interior designer or learn about interior design? Let's talk about it. In today's Train Your Eye exercise, we're going to talk about color layering and identifying some specifications. First step to our color theory conversations in these Train Your Eye exercises is identify how warm the color scheme is in this space. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the coolest and 10 being the warmest, what number would you give this room? The second thing we're going to do, and you're going to put your answer in the comments, is identify the 5 colors of this scheme. The 5 colors, and then the base color and the focal color. A little tip I always say, you can test yourself by going on Sherwin-Williams website and using their paint tool, and you can see if you can match a paint color to the colors that you are selecting and see if you're right. What makes this video about color layering is that this kind of room, this kind of space in particular, with this kind of color scheme, has very soft differentiations in color, and it layers it in very carefully throughout the space. This creates a really warm, soft environment. It's still bold. There are a lot of dark colors in this room. It's very earthy and grounding, but color placement plays a fact in this. So color placement and color theory are 2 things happening here, or color balancing as well. So what am I talking about color layering? Well, notice the browns going on here, the brown family, right? We've got brown and a few different kinds of brown in the wood stools there that are magnificent, by the way. That's a few color layering all in one piece. And then we bring in similar brown tones into the countertop and similar brown tones into the pieces that are on the counters. You even have brown tones in the light fixture and the wallpaper or wall finish. It's hard to tell in this because this picture's from Pinterest. The wall material, the wall surface, it's a beige, but it is a brown base beige with dimension in its texture. By doing things like that, you have a really cohesive feel to the room. It's really warm, it's really safe, and it's a softer energy. You can have soft energy with bold color choices or bold designs. It's soft because you're layering it very carefully throughout the space. Next, really quickly, we're going to talk about some of the specifications that went into this room. We have the color of the cabinetry, but also there's very particular finishes and patterns there. You also have size, placement, height, countertop, depth of countertop, edging of countertop. I am not going into all the specs here, but I like to train you to start training your eye to see these things. You have the art piece, the thickness of the art piece, the frame of the art piece, placement and size. Light fixture, you have the lumens, the color temperature, the size, the placement. Where are the light fixtures controlled? If you're liking these Train Your Eye exercises, make sure you are following and subscribing for more.